Alright guys, I want to show you something Kyle mentioned, and this is a good point. If you're trying to create an environment that is like for a video game, and it needs to be more than just a room, like what we're doing is just one room, but what if you had to create an environment that people have to be able to walk around and go really in depth, like I don't know, Assassin's Creed or Halo or something, where you have characters going into a mass environment, okay? And you need this grid, because this grid helps you kind of have a defining point of where the origin, like where things are level. I mean, that grid's really important. So Kyle brought a good point. If you're trying to make massively large environments, if you click on the plus section right here, scroll down. This also be if you want to make your grid smaller, but if you go to display, under here are your grid settings. So if I want to increase this and I want to make it a lot bigger, so instead of 17, what if I made it 100? So you can see now I could really build something like a town or a city with streets and everything, and things would be level because you'd have that grid there as a guide. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how to modify your grid.